How to draw Snow Miser, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of drawing Snow Miser, we're going to begin by drawing the nose. Nice start. Next, we're going to begin to draw the eyes. The first eye that we draw will be the right eye. On the inside of the eye, we're going to draw the pupil by making a big black circle. Now let's move directly above the eye and draw the eyebrow. Well done. Now a little to the left, we're going to begin to draw the second eye, as well as the second eyebrow. Next, we'll draw a line connecting the eye to the nose, as well as the eye to the eyebrow. Well done! For the next step of drawing Snow Miser, we're going to begin to draw the bottom outline of the hair, which looks similar to a cloud. If you're enjoying today's drawing of Snow Miser, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our drawing of Heat Miser. Now connected to the nose, we're going to draw a line going down, along with the chin, right beneath the nose. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing colored in so you can pause the video and match your colors. So now, as you can see, on the right side, we have a small empty space. This will be where we draw the outline of the ear. So earlier on in the video, we drew the bottom outline of the hair. Next, we're going to begin to draw the top of the hair, which will connect down to the ear that we just drew together. All done? If so, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now right beneath the nose, to the left of the line that we previously drew, we're going to begin to draw the mouth. The mouth will appear to be open, with a set of teeth on the top, with a tongue on the bottom. Next, on the tip of the nose, we're going to draw two small icicles coming down, which will look similar to sharp edges. The next thing that we draw will be the scarf. For the first step of drawing the scarf, we're going to draw a curved line beneath the neck, with small lines going up and down. These small lines will help create a pattern. Now we will use curvy lines to make it appear as if the scarf is blowing in the wind. On the first part of the scarf, we drew lines going up and down to create a pattern. We're going to do the exact same thing on the longer end. Fantastic! Now we're all done drawing the head, along with the scarf of Snow Miser. For the next step, right beneath the scarf, we're going to begin to draw the arms, which will appear as if they are folded. For the first step of drawing this, we're going to draw a backwards L-like shape. We will draw the first hand above the bottom right-hand corner of the L. Attached to this hand, we will draw the arm by making a long sideways U-like shape. We will connect the sideways U shape to the bottom line by using a slanted line. Now right above the sideways U shape, we're going to begin to draw the second hand. And if you're enjoying today's video so far and it's helping you out, then be sure to give it a big like so other Snow Miser and Heat Miser fans can also learn how to draw Snow Miser. Now on the chest of Snow Miser, we're going to draw two sideways V shapes to help make the suit, along with two lines going up and down to make a tie. Now beneath the folded arms, we're going to draw a sharp edge bottom to the suit. On this bottom part that we just drew, we're going to add in two slanted lines to help separate the colors. Well done, so far we're making great progress. Now all we have left to do is to draw the legs as well as the shoes. Next we're going to draw the tops of the shoes, which will look similar to rhomboids. Now we will draw the legs by using two parallel lines connecting from the tops of the shoes to the bottom of the shirt. Now last but not least, we'll draw the shoes of Snow Miser. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing of Snow Miser came out great. If you'd like me to see your drawing, be sure to share with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. And I really hope to see you next time in one of my drawing videos. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest drawings that I post, then be sure to subscribe for future content. We upload daily on Learn How to Draw Hub. Great job today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.